Hello everyone and welcome to NewtonGATE Academy where we make your dreams come true. So this video is basically a continuation of the previous video where we had highlighted the benefits of the Advanced Spoken English course. And today we are here to present you the reviews of some of our excellent students who have already completed their basic course of 3 months and now they are continuing with the advanced course. So see and feel the difference all by yourself.
I was lagging in English. And professional aspects, I felt that I need to do something, I need to improve myself in English. And I decided to join any class. And luckily I came in contact with NewtonGATE, started learning English. At the initial stage, I was very, very weak. You might be knowing that. I was actually not confident, but after 1 year, I am in a position to speak English fluently, even to my superiors, even to my CEO and other high-profile customers, dignified authorities. I have got that kind of confidence. And regarding faculties, no doubt, they are very, very sincere and responsible and accountable. Their communication is a learning for me also. Sometimes previously I was concerned with few organizations, but they do not have that kind of accountability. That NewtonGATE shows that kind of accountability, that somebody is paying money and we have to give something against that money, whatever the student is paying. This feeling is, I would say, the pillar. Other organizations are as good as commercial things, everything commercial. But here, this thing which impressed me very much, that the students are paying and we have to give something for them. This is the main thing which impressed me very much.
Good evening all, I am Sharmishta Madhuk. I have done the 6 classes in NewtonGATE. Here teachers are very helpful and cooperative. I think I have improved after attending the classes and I think I will speak much better in next 3 months. Thank you, that's all from my side.
This is my 3rd month. I am enrolled with NewtonGATE. Faculties are very friendly and they are very cooperative. Like whenever I feel any problem, I ask them. They rectify my doubts immediately. Especially also guides me in various points where I find difficult to speak. Like some of the English words which I don't recall, she guides me through it. So more or less, the faculties are very good, and yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Srijoni Nandi here and I am a professional makeup artist. Languages are not barriers, but a very important medium in our daily lives. And each and every language is important and beautiful. English was quite a challenge for me, but NewtonGATE helped me a lot to get better each and every day. I am really very grateful to all the teachers who are more of friends. And that has increased my confidence level much more than it was before. Thanks a lot to all of you. It was an amazing experience. And I would also like to urge others to join this institute and fulfill their dreams of conversing fluent English. Thank you.
We are proud to say that our students are our pride, and our students have come from different backgrounds and yet they have achieved what they have aspired for. So here we give you the assurance that with the help and support of the entire NewtonGATE team, you will shine at your best. So what are you waiting for? Join the advanced course now and be a part of our family and grow with us. Thank you.